Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make butter. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need heavy cream, ideally with a milk fat content of at least 35%, and a stand mixer with a whisk attachment or a hand mixer. Make sure your cream is very cold, as this helps the butter separate more efficiently. This initial step is crucial for a successful batch of homemade butter. Now, pour your cold, heavy cream into the mixer bowl. Begin whipping on medium-high speed. You'll notice the cream first thickens to whipped cream, then becomes lumpy, and eventually the solids will separate from the liquid. Keep mixing until you clearly see distinct yellow butter solids and a milky liquid, which is your buttermilk. This transformation takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Once the butter and buttermilk have separated, pour the mixture through a fine mesh sieve to collect the butter. Save the buttermilk for other recipes. Next, it's time to wash the butter. Place the butter in a bowl of very cold water and knead it. Replace the water several times, continuing to knead until the water runs completely clear. This step is vital for removing all buttermilk, which prevents spoilage. Finally, you can salt your homemade butter to taste. A good starting point is about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of fine salt per stick of butter, but adjust to your preference. Mix the salt in thoroughly. Shape your butter as desired, perhaps into a log or a block. Store your fresh, homemade butter in an airtight container in the refrigerator where it will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.